Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Siti Alawiyah. Now I'm gonna try to be an interpreter from English language to bahasa. Let's start.
So I have a Facebook friend
Jadi saya punya
whose
teman
life seems
Facebook
perfect.
yang hidupnya tampak sempurna.
She lives in a gorgeous house.
Dia tinggal di rumah yang sangat
She's a
indah
really
dan
rewarding
dia memiliki
career.
karir yang sangat berharga.
And she and her family go
Dan
on all
dia
these
bersama
exciting
keluarganya
adventures together
melakukan
on the weekends.
petualangan di akhir pekan.
And I swear that they must take a
Dan saya
professional
menyuruh mereka harus
photographer
membawa
along with
seorang
them.
fotografer profesional.
Because no matter where
Karena
they go
kemanapun
or
mereka
what they
pergi
do,
atau
the
apapun yang
whole
mereka
family just
lakukan,
looks
seluruh
beautiful.
keluarga harus terlihat cantik.
And she's always
Dan dia
posting
selalu
about how
memposting
blessed she is
tentang betapa
and how
diberdekatinya
grateful
dia
she is for the
dan
life
betapa
that she
bersyukurnya
has.
dia atas kehidupan
And I
yang
get the feeling
dimilikinya.
she's not
Dan
just
saya
saying
merasa
those things
tidak
for the
hanya
sake of
mengatakan hal itu
Facebook,
demi
but
Facebook,
she truly means
tapi
it.
dia benar-benar bersungguh-sungguh.
How many of you have a friend kind of like
Berapa
that?
banyak dari Anda yang memiliki teman seperti itu?
And how many of you
Dan berapa
kind of
banyak
don't like that
dari
person
Anda yang terkadang
sometimes?
tidak menyukai orang itu?
We all do this,
Kita semua
right?
melakukan ini,
It's hard
bukan?
not to do.
Sulit untuk tidak
But that way
melakukannya.
of thinking costs us
Tapi
something.
cara berpikir
And that's
seperti
what
itu
I want to
merugikan
talk to you
kita.
about today.
Dan
Is
itulah
what our
yang
bad
ingin saya
habits
bicarakan dengan Anda hari ini.
cost us.
Apa akibat dari kebiasaan buruk
Maybe
kita?
you scroll through your Facebook feed
Mungkin
and you
Anda
think,
melihat-lihat
"So what? I roll my
feed
eyes.
Facebook Anda dan
It's just
berpikir,
5 seconds of
jadi
my
bagaimana
time.
jika kita
How
memutar
could it be
mata,
hurting
itu hanya
me?"
5 detik dari waktuku.
Well, researchers have
Bagaimana
found
itu bisa
that
menyakiti saya?
envying your friends on Facebook actually leads to
Sebenarnya menyebabkan
depression.
depresi.
That's just one of the
Itu
traps
hanyalah
that our
salah satu
minds can set
jebakan
for us.
yang dapat dipasang oleh pikiran kita.
Have you ever complained about your
Apakah Anda
boss?
pernah mengeluh tentang atasan Anda?
Or looked at your friends' lives and thought,
Atau melihat kehidupan teman
why
Anda
do
dan
they have all the
berpikir,
luck? Can't help thinking
Anda
that
pasti
way,
berpikir
right?
seperti itu, bukan?
That way of thinking seems
Cara
small in
berpikir
the
seperti
moment.
itu tampaknya
In
kecil
fact,
pada
it
saat
might
itu.
even make you feel
Bahkan
better in
itu
the
mungkin
moment.
membuat Anda merasa lebih
But
baik
that
pada
way
saat
of
itu.
thinking is eating
Tapi
away
cara
at your
berpikir
mental
seperti itu
strength.
menggerogoti kekuatan mental Anda.
There's 3 kinds of
Ada 3
destructive
jenis
beliefs
keyakinan
that
merusak
make
yang
us
membuat
less
kita kurang
effective
efektif
and rob us
dan
of our mental
merampas
strength.
kekuatan mental kita.
The first one
Yang pertama,
is unhealthy beliefs about
keyakinan yang
ourselves.
tidak sehat tentang diri kita
We
sendiri.
tend to feel sorry for
Kita
ourselves.
cenderung mengasihani diri
And while
sendiri.
it's okay to be sad
Dan
when
meskipun
something
tidak
bad
apa-apa
happens,
untuk bersedih,
self-pity goes beyond
mengasihani
that.
diri
It's when you
sendiri
start to
lebih dari
magnify
itu.
your misfortune. When you think things like,
saat itulah
why
Anda
do these things always
mulai
have to
memperbesar
happen to me?
kemalangan Anda.
I shouldn't have to deal with it. That way of thinking keeps you stuck, keeps you focused on the problem, keeps you from finding a
Membuat Anda
solution.
tidak menemukan
And
solusi.
even when you can't create a
Dan
solution, you
meskipun
can
Anda
always
tidak
take
dapat
steps to
membuat
make your
solusi,
life or
Anda
somebody
selalu
else's
dapat
life
mengambil langkah
better.
untuk membuat hidup
But you
Anda dan
can't do
kehidupan
that
orang
when
lain
you're
menjadi
busy
lebih baik.
hosting your own pity party. The second type of destructive
Jenis
belief that holds
kedua
us
dari
back
kenyataan destruktif
is unhealthy beliefs
adalah
about
keyakinan yang
others.
tidak sehat tentang orang lain.
We think that other people can
Kami
control
berpikir
us
orang lain
and we
dapat
give
mengontrol
away our
kami.
power. But as adults who live in a free
Dan kami
country,
kekuatan kami.
there's very few things in
Tapi
life
sebagai
that
orang
you
dewasa yang hidup
have
di
to
negara
do.
bebas, hanya
So
akan
when you
sedikit
say,
mengikut
"I
apa
have
yang
to work
Anda
late,"
lakukan. Jadi ketika
you
Anda
give away your
berkata,
power.
saya harus bekerja lembur.
Yeah, maybe there'll be consequences if you don't work late, but it's still a choice. Or when you say,
Atau saat
my
Anda
mother-in-law
berkata,
drives
ibu
me
mertua
crazy,
membuatku gila.
you give away your
Anda
power.
memberikan kekuatan Anda.
Maybe she's not the
Mungkin
nicest
dia bukan
person
orang
on
balik
earth,
di dunia.
but it's up to
Baik.
you how you respond to
Tapi
her
terserah Anda
because
bagaimana Anda
you're in
menanggapinya.
control. The third type of unhealthy belief that
Jenis
holds us back,
ketiga dari kepercayaan
is
tidak
unhealthy
sehat yang
beliefs
menahan
about
kita
the
adalah
world.
kepercayaan tidak sehat tentang dunia.
we tend to think that the world owes
Kita
us
cenderung
something.
berpikir
We
bahwa
think,
dunia
if I
berhutang
put
sesuatu
in
pada
enough
kita,
hard work, then I deserve
maka saya pantas
success.
untuk sukses.
But expecting success
Tetapi
to fall
mengharapkan
into your
kesuksesan
lap like
jatuh ke
some sort
pangkuan
of
Anda seperti
cosmic
semacam hadiah
reward
kosmik
will
hanya akan
only lead to
menyebabkan kekecewaan.
disappointment. But I know
Tapi
it's
saya
hard to
tahu
give up
sulit
our bad
untuk
mental habits.
melepaskan
It's
kebiasaan
hard to
mental
get rid
buruk
of those
kita.
unhealthy beliefs that
Sulit
we've
untuk
carried
menyingkirkan
around with us
keyakinan
for
tidak
so
sehat
long.
setelah kita begitu lama.
But you can't afford not to give them up.
Tetapi Anda tidak mampu untuk tidak
Because
menyerah.
sooner or later,
Karena
you're
cepat
gonna hit a
atau
time in your
lambat,
life
Anda akan
where you
menemukan
need
saat
all
dalam
the
hidup
mental
Anda
strength that you
di
can
mana Anda
muster.
membutuhkan sebuah kekuatan mental yang Anda kerahkan.
When I was 23 years old,
Ketika saya
I
berusia
thought I had life all
23
figured
tahun,
out. I graduated from
saya
grad
lulus
school.
dari sekolah
I
pasca
landed my
sarjana.
first big job as a therapist.
Saya mendapatkan pekerjaan
I
besar
got
sebagai
married,
terapis.
and I
Aku
even bought a
menikah
house.
dan saya
And I
bahkan
thought,
membeli
this is
rumah.
going to be great. I've got this incredible
Ini akan
jump start on
menjadi luar
success.
biasa.
What could go wrong?
Apa yang salah?
That all changed for me one day.
Itu semua berubah
when I got
bagi
a
saya
phone call
suatu
from my
hari
sister.
ketika saya mendapat telepon dari
She said that
saudara
our mother
saya.
was found
Dia mengatakan bahwa ibu
unresponsive
kami
and
ditemukan
she'd been
tidak
taken to the
responsif
hospital.
dan telah dibawa ke rumah sakit.
My husband Lincoln and I jumped in the car
Suami saya
and rushed to the
melompat ke dalam
hospital.
mobil dan
We couldn't
bergegas
imagine what
keluar
could be
rumah sakit.
wrong. My mother was only 51.
Ibu
She
saya
didn't have
berusia
any history
51 tahun,
of any kind
dia
of
tidak
health
memiliki riwayat
problems.
masalah kesehatan apapun.
When we got to the hospital, doctors
Ketika kami
explained
sampai di rumah
she
sakit,
had a brain aneurysm.
dokter menjelaskan bahwa dia
And
menderita
within 24 hours,
otak.
my mother, who used to wake up in the morning
Ibu saya
saying,
yang biasa
"It's a
bangun
great day to be
di pagi hari
alive,"
berkata, ini hari yang menyenangkan
passed
untuk hidup.
away.
Meninggal dunia,
That news was
berarti itu
devastating
sangat
to me.
menghancurkan
My
saya.
mother and I had been very close.
Ibu saya dan
As
saya
a
sangat dekat.
therapist, I knew on an intellectual level how to go
Sebagai
through
seorang
grief.
terapis, saya tahu secara intelektual
knowing it
bagaimana
and
melewati
doing it
kesedihan.
Can be two very different things. It took a long time before
Buku
I
waktu
felt like
lama
I was really
sebelum saya
healing.
merasa benar-benar sembuh.
And then on the 3-year anniversary,
Dan kemudian
of my
peringatan
mother's
3 tahun
death,
kematian ibu saya,
some friends called
beberapa teman
and
menelpon
invited
dan
Lincoln
mengundang
and me to a
suami
basketball
saya.
game. Coincidentally,
Secara
this
kebetulan
one
itu
played at the same
diputar
auditorium
di
where I'd
auditorium
last seen my mother
yang sama
on
di,
the night
di mana
before
saya
she
terakhir
passed
kali
away.
melihat ibu saya.
I hadn't been back there since.
Saya belum pernah
Wasn't even
kembali
sure I wanted to go
ke
back.
sana sejak itu.
But Lincoln and I talked about it, and ultimately we said, maybe that'll be a good way to
Mungkin
honor
itu
her
cara yang
memory.
baik untuk menghormati
So we went
ingatannya.
to the game.
Jadi kami
We
pergi
actually
ke
had a really good
pertandingan
time with our friends.
dan kami benar-benar bersenang-senang
On
dengan
the drive
teman-teman
home that
kami.
night, we talked about how
Dalam
great it
perjalanan
was to
malam itu
finally be
kami
able to go
berbicara
back to
tentang
that
betapa
place.
senangnya akhir
And
bisa
remember
kembali
my
ke
mother
tempat
with a
itu
smile,
dan mengingat ibu saya
rather
dengan
than all
senyuman
those feelings of sadness.
daripada semua perasaan sedih itu.
Shortly after we got home that night,
Tapi tak lama
Lincoln said
setelah
he
kami
didn't
pulang,
feel well.
suami saya berkata dia tidak enak
A few
badan.
minutes later, he
Beberapa
collapsed.
menit kemudian dia
I had to
pingsan.
call for an ambulance.
Dan saya harus
His
mengambil
family met me at the
menelpon
emergency
ambulan.
room. We waited for what seemed like forever,
Kami mengunyang
till finally a doctor came out.
sampai akhirnya dokter keluar.
But rather than taking us out back to see Lincoln, he took us back to a private room and sat us down and explained to us that Lincoln, who was the most adventurous person I'd ever met, was gone.
Dia telah pergi.
We didn't know at the time,
Kami
but
tidak
he
tahu
had a
saat
heart
itu.
attack. He was only
Tapi dia mengalami
26.
serangan jantung.
He didn't have any history of heart problems. So now I found myself a
Jadi
26-year-old
sekarang saya
widow.
menemukan diri saya seorang
And I
janda
didn't
berusia
have my
26 tahun dan saya tidak memiliki ibu.
Thought, how am I going to get through
Saya berpikir
this?
bagaimana saya bisa melewati
And to
ini.
describe that as a painful
Dan
period
untuk
in my life
menggambarkannya
feels like
sebagai
an
periode menyakitkan dalam
understatement.
hidup saya terasa seperti
And it
sebuah
was during that
pernyataan
time that I
yang
realized
meremehkan.
when you're really going through tough times, good
Dan selama
habits
waktu
aren't
itulah saya
enough.
mereka
Only
masa
takes
sulit
one
tidaklah
or
cukup,
two
hanya
small
1-2
habits
kebiasaan
to
kecil
really
untuk
hold you
benar-benar
back.
menahan Anda.
I worked as hard as I could,
Saya bekerja
not
keras,
just to
saya
create good
bisa.
habits in my life, but to get rid of those small habits, no matter how small they might seem. Throughout it all,
Sepanjang itu
I held
semua,
out hope that
saya
someday
mengeluarkan harapan bahwa
life
suatu
could
hari
get
bisa
better.
hidup menjadi lebih baik.
And eventually it
Dan
did.
akhirnya berhasil.
A few years down the road,
Beberapa
I
tahun
met
kemudian
Steve,
saya bertemu Steve
and we fell in love,
dan kami jatuh
and I
cinta
got remarried.
dan saya menikah lagi.
We sold the house that Lincoln
Kami
and I had
menjual
lived
rumah
in,
tempat saya
and we
dan
bought a
suami
new
saya dulu
house
tinggal.
in a new area,
Dan kami
and I
membeli
got a
rumah
new
baru di
job.
daerah baru dan saya mendapat pekerjaan baru.
But almost as quickly as I breathed my
Tetapi
sigh of
hampir
relief
secepat
over that
saya
fresh
menghela
start
nafas
that I
lega,
had, we got the news that
kami
Steve's dad
mendapat
had
kabar bahwa
terminal
ayah Steve
cancer.
menderita kanker stadium akhir.
And I started to think,
Dan saya mulai
why do
berpikir,
these things always have to keep
mengapa hal-hal
happening?
ini
Why
selalu
do I have to
terjadi?
keep losing all
Mengapa
my
saya harus
loved
terus
ones?
kehilangan
This
semua orang
isn't
yang saya
fair.
cintai? Ini tidak adil.
But if I'd learned
Tapi saya
anything,
belajar
it was
sesuatu,
that way
cara
of thinking
berpikir seperti itu akan
would hold me back. I knew I was going to need as much mental strength as I could muster to get through one more loss. So I sat down and I wrote a list of all the things mentally strong people don't do. And I read over that list. It was a
mengingat
reminder
semua
of
kebiasaan
all of
buruk
those
yang pernah
bad
saya
habits that I've
lakukan
done at one
yang
time or
akan membuat saya
another
terjebak.
that would keep me stuck. And I kept reading that
Dan
list
saya terus
over and
membaca
over,
daftar
and I
berulang kali
really needed it.
dan saya
Because within a
membutuhkannya.
few weeks of writing it, Steve's dad passed
Ayah
away.
Steve meninggal dunia. Steve.
My journey taught me
Perjalanan
that the
mengajari
secret
saya
to
bahwa
being
rahasia
mentally
menjadi
strong
kuat secara mental
is that you have to
adalah
give up your
bahwa Anda
bad
harus
mental
melepaskan
habits.
kebiasaan mental buruk Anda.
Mental strength is a lot
Kekuatan
like
mental
physical
mirip
strength.
dengan kekuatan
If you wanted to
fisik.
be
Jika
physically
Anda
strong,
ingin kuat fit secara
you need to
fisik,
go to the gym and
Anda
lift weights.
perlu pergi ke
But
gym
if
dan
you
angkat
really
beban.
wanted to see results,
Ketika Anda
you'd
ingin
also have to
benar-benar
give up
melihat
eating
hasilnya, Anda
junk
harus
food.
bersih junk food.
Mental strength is the same. If you want to be mentally strong, You need good habits like practicing gratitude. But you also have to give up bad habits like resenting somebody else's success. No matter how often that happens, it'll hold you back. So, how do you train your brain
Bagaimana Anda
to think
melatih otak Anda
differently?
untuk berpikir
How do
secara
you
berbeda?
give up those
Bagaimana Anda
bad
menghentikan
mental
kebiasaan
habits
mental
that
buruk
you
Anda yang
carried
selalu
around
Anda
with
bawa?
you? It starts
Ini
by
dimulai dengan melawan
countering those
keyakinan
unhealthy
tidak
beliefs
sehat
that I
yang saya
talked
bicarakan
about
dengan lebih
with
sehat.
healthier ones.